Cameroon go play number Indomitable Lions. Una know say some tori be don comot. What did it happen? Before, why they say they never organize friendly match with the Indomitable Lion them? Since long time, they go up, they come down, they never organize them because say they want to talk their own thing. Now minister don't do this, now Fekafu be supposed to do that. It don't come. Now information don't come. We say Cameroon go participate very soon for some international tournament. That they talk about Indomitable Lions, they go participate for some international tournament for Morocco. They go play against Morocco. They go play against Chad. They go play against Equatorial Guinea. They go play against Burundi. So now the country in that way they go take part for that international competition where it can start small time. Other one I walk to for that side for federation for football. May they continue so people they will know say it wrong. We know say they did wrong. We know say query over day. We know say finance law they don't change them. We know all that in them. When I say my way supposed to do it work, may do it work. Come what may try for do it work. So Cameroon go play against Morocco, against Burundi, against Equatorial Guinea, and against Chad for that international tournament. We will see Brian Bemedem, Baleba, Abubakar Vincent, we club don't go for second division. Ngande them, we will see Andrew Nana, other one them, the Zambo Angisa, Boyomo, Wosinuyu, all Cameroon players them where they active now, so they playing damba, bam 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 bam, where they understand or hope say Marco Ibriso go convoke them so that when they play that competition, they will see what it go happen and how it go happen now for measure the degree of their state of preparedness and the way they fit play for win African Nations Cup. Because African Nations Cup, it will take place to now for Morocco, country woman.